Talesong 16. Clouds of witness. I walk the halls, all whispers and stare, brothers accused. And nobody seems fair. Lawyers shuffle, servants chatter and pry. I vow to find truth, won't let it slip by. The clues in the letters, the timing, the face, each step I take quickens the pace. I chase alibis, track hidden threads, even in mansions, danger treads. Courtrooms tense, witnesses sway, truth hides behind what people say. I piece the puzzle, night into day, justice must win. I can't look away. Secrets unfold, the guilty exposed, family intact, mystery disposed. I clear the name, restore the calm, case closed with a clever charm. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.